I'm on the way up. Yeah, been a long, long time coming, but I'm on the way up. Been a long, long time coming, but I'm on the way up.
Welcome everybody to the channel. This is Phil Beck with the Professional Painter and Decorator, and I'm attending another trade event. This is Brewers of Mansfield are holding their Brewers Trade Event up at the Mansfield Town Football Ground. Now, if you look over in my left shoulder in the top corner of the screen, you'll see that I did visit this event last year, and it was such a success. Well, the manageress up at Brewers of Mansfield, Nikki, has actually arranged and organised another event, which is great. Now the sun's shining, we can't ask for any more than that, can we? Now, last year I interviewed a few trade stands that were here or there, and I'm going to do exactly the same this time around. But this year I'll do it a little bit different. What I'm going to do is talk to each trade stand individually, and over the period of the next few weeks, particularly on my channel, I will drip feed you these interviews out onto the channel. So I won't make it like an hour and a half's worth of video that you've got to watch. I will actually do a little bit of an intro video like I'm doing now, and we will get into each video individually as their own little section and segment. So I will be asking these reps that we come across to try and keep it down under 10 minutes each little section, telling us about what their products are, which will be great. So let's just see how we go. I will do a little bit of a, let's try a bit of drone footage going around the actual trade event, and you will get an idea of what goes off at these well, I'll say these venues. Brewers do them up and down the country, and this is local to me up at Mansfield. So I've had the 35-minute drive from my house up here, and let's just see what's about, and see if we can see some old faces and hopefully some new faces to make contact with. So I will see you in a little while when we've got in there. We're coming to the end of the show. It's nearly coming up to 5:30. It started at 12 o'clock, and I've tried to do a little bit of panning round on all the trade stands here. I'm going to pan round. I don't know what this gentleman's name is. On HB42. If you want to know a little bit more about HB42 products, if you look in the top left-hand corner, I did interview Charlie at the Painting and Decorating show last year, and he gave us a good breakdown on the corks and the fillers that they've got. So,
and that's the new LXP foam, low expanding.
This, you didn't want to go on camera, now you're talking to me.
No, because he's looking at his stuff, look, I might as well tell you while he's looking.
This is the low expanding HB42. We call it silicone in the trade. Now this would be ideal for if you're sticking backing boards onto surfaces, and if you don't need that high expansion that silicone normally goes, I don't know, is it 1,000 times bigger than what it normally does?
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't need that.
You can feel the difference in that one to that one.
Yeah.
That one's full of air, that one ain't.
So that's full of air and we can squeeze it, and that one's a solid product, which is be great if you're filling the tops of skirting boards, stringing on staircases.
And around doors.
And door frames, everything.
and you can use the can up to 5 times.
And it doesn't block.
It doesn't block.
So if you didn't hear, sorry, your name?
Gary.
Gary's just said you can use it up to 5 times because it doesn't block on the nozzle, so it is a reusable can. It's not one can, once use, that's it.
Yeah.
So that's great. But again, if you want to know a bit more about these products, there'll be a link below to the HB42 website. So thank you. Thanks, Gary.
Thank you.
Well, this is it. This is the end of the day. I've saw, and we're going to get somebody photobombing me. Aidan from Osmo. How are you?
I'm very well, Phil,
we haven't
thank
had
you.
time to see you today, but if you look in the top left-hand corner, we did a bit of an interview last year, so we'd only be covering the same things if we saw each other this time around as well.
That is true. We'll make sure you catch on the next one. We have got some new products imminently coming to the market, and they will be with a difference. So I look forward to showing you them on the next one.
That's fantastic. I hope everybody's heard that and picked up on my camera that's on my lapel. But no, it's been a great day. I've had the food that was free. I've got some goodie bags, and I've touched base with people that I've not seen for a while. So all in all, a good day. If you see one of these trade events in your local area from Brewers being held, please go down, and hopefully if you've watched a few of these little videos that I've done today, you'll see what's actually here. And if I've missed anybody, I'm ever so sorry. Please look at the playlist in the corner. I hope I've covered most trade stands that were here today. So thank you very much. Please watch the videos at the end. Those that give me super thanks, thank you very much. And those that are buying me a coffee, it is very much appreciated. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye-bye.